Hello there! Here's Deliara from Some Years Den, and today we're going to make whole wheat biscotti. So, before we start, I would really love to tell you that Biscotti is not actually the name of the cookies that we are talking about. In Italy, biscotti is actually known as cantucci, while Italians call biscotti any dry baked cookie. So basically, if it is dry, if it is crunchy or crumbly, that is biscotti. Let us still call it biscotti so that everyone knows what it is, but just for your information, officially it is actually cantucci. For our biscotti today, what we need? We need 350 grams of flour, whole wheat flour. We need 150 grams of sugar. I use brown sugar. If you want, you can actually use white sugar. I use brown sugar just to make it a little bit healthier. We need 170 grams of almonds, raw almonds. They are not roasted. We need about 70 grams of dates. You can actually replace dates with any other dry fruits, like dry apricots, dry cranberries, any dry fruits. So here I actually have around 76-79 grams. We need 4 eggs. We need a dash of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we need orange essence. In my case, I also have orange peel. So this is homemade orange peel, which was made out of sun-dried oranges that I ground into the powder. So let's start. So I'm almost done here with my dry ingredients mix. I'm only left with raw almonds and dates. So because I have raw almonds as whole, I'm going to chop them. The same I'm going to do with the dates. So I chopped my almonds and dates and added to my dry mixture. The only things that I'm left to add are my orange essence and 4 eggs. Once everything is ready, it is time to shape. So once we get the dough of such consistency, where we see that I have actually almost no flour being dry and just being in the bowl, this is when we are ready to shape our biscotti into the prolonged shapes. So after 30 minutes of baking our biscotti, we are back. We are back to cut biscotti now into this thin cookies that we are going to bake later again for about maybe 10 minutes to dry them off and just enjoy biscotti. So let us start. So we cut out our biscottis. Now it's time to put them in the oven. Let's go! And here are our delicious whole wheat biscottis. Just almost straight from the oven. So here I'm serving the biscotti with a cup of coffee. It smells fantastic. I'm going to dip biscotti and try it out. Let's see. I'm honestly like, oh, just look at it. Crumbly, crumbly, crumbly and dry. It's so nice. It's beautiful. So what I really like about this whole wheat biscottis is they are not so sweet. They have the nutty taste because of the almonds. And then you get this sudden sweet flavors from the dates. Isn't it delicious? If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you happen to try this recipe out, please let us know how it turned out in the comment section below. This is Dilyara from Some Years Den. I'll see you next time. Arrivederci. Bye bye.